In this video, we're going to talk about renewable green hydrogen and what it is. What is renewable green hydrogen and why is it important? Renewable green hydrogen is a type of hydrogen produced through the electrolysis of water using renewable energy sources. It is an important part of the future energy mix as it has the potential to be clean, emissions-free fuel source for a variety of applications including transportation and power generation. There are many benefits of renewable green hydrogen. For example, it can help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by replacing fossil fuels in a variety of applications. Additionally, it is a versatile fuel source that can be used in a variety of ways depending on the needs of the user. Additionally, renewable green hydrogen offers security of supply as it is not subject to the same geopolitical issues as other energy sources. Despite the many benefits of renewable green hydrogen, there are also some challenges that need to be overcome in order to make it a viable option for the future. For example, the current cost of producing renewable green hydrogen is still relatively high compared to other options such as natural gas. Additionally, the infrastructure required to store and distribute hydrogen is still underdeveloped. Nonetheless, with continued research and development, it is expected that these challenges will be overcome in time and renewable green hydrogen will play an important role in the future energy mix. The process of creating renewable green hydrogen. 1. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are used to create electricity. 2. That electricity is then used to power an electrolyzer, which splits water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen gas. 3. The resulting green hydrogen can be used in a fuel cell to generate electricity, and the waste product is clean water vapor. This process of creating renewable green hydrogen is becoming increasingly popular as a way to produce clean energy. It has many benefits over traditional methods of generating electricity, including being carbon neutral and producing no air pollution. Additionally, it is a scalable technology that can be easily deployed at a variety of different sizes. While the process of creating renewable green hydrogen is fairly simple, there are a few challenges that need to be addressed before it can be widely adopted. First, the electrolyzers used to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen gas are currently very expensive. Additionally, the infrastructure for distributing and using green hydrogen is still in its early stages of development. Despite these challenges, the process of creating renewable green hydrogen is a promising way to produce clean energy that can help fight climate change. If you're interested in learning more about this technology, please visit the links below for more details. Thank you for watching.